that shoe, and you use that shoe to take picture. Tracy will just call you, that my shoe, you never use and finish. Not on one occasion, neither 2 or 3. Tracy will keep reminding you, that shoe still, you never use that shoe finish. As in, you never, and she dashed you. It's not that you borrow. Me, I don't borrow. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Violet Baz TV, like the Bazzy Queen. How are you guys doing today? And to all my returning subscribers, I say thank you. Just in case you are seeing this video today, please kindly hit on the subscribe button. I know you do love my personality, and please put up the post notification bell so you will get notified whenever we both put up a new video. And today I'm having a guest at home, Tracy Chris TV. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Do have a lovely day. Okay guys, today's video is going to be super fun and amazing. Like, today we are going to be talking about the most annoying part of each other. Yes, the most annoying part of Tracy Chris. If you've known me for long and you have been following my channel, you will know that I and Tracy Chris have come a long way. We have been friends for so long, and we live in the same city, in Malaga, Spain. So I've known her for a while, and I can.
A lot of people don't know I'm in Spain.
Sorry,
I don't live in Spain. I live in Canada.
Don't mind her. That's how she is. So that's what I'm going to be talking about, annoying parts today. Likewise, she will be talking about my annoying part. But I do know I don't have annoying parts. I'm a lovely girl. Like, I'm so perfect. I'm so perfect.
I need to channel face.
At all. So I'll be telling you guys 3 or 4 annoying parts of Tracy Chris TV. This girl, the first one, God, she is one kind of a person that when you are talking to her, she will just ignore you, and that thing they vex me. See, you and person go they talk, you both will be talking like you are talking to her, and she will just pretend like you are not the one she's talking to. Tracy Alpha. Yes, and that thing pissed me off a lot.
My goodness.
That is the things that always want me and her to have issues. You will be talking to Tracy, she will just ignore you. Nothing. She will not want. She'll just be pressing her phone, or she'll just pretend like she's sleeping, and she's hearing you quite well. She's hearing you perfectly, but she will not say anything about you.
Let me come in.
Okay,
I'll still tell you. We'll do it one.
Okay.
My people. Very funny. See, you see me. I don't even know where to start from. I'm somebody like, if you are talking to me, you know, at times when somebody is talking to you and you are talking in, some people will say, allow one person to talk. So when she's talking, I'll keep quiet. I want her to talk. When she is done talking, then I can talk. But she'll feel, okay, because she's talking, she'll not be saying, Tracy, are you hearing me? I'll say, yes, I'm hearing you. She feels that I just ignore her. Okay, you are talking, I'm talking. How are you going to get understanding?
I said when I'm talking, I will ask you some questions, but you will ignore, like you don't want to say anything. Not where you are talking inside my talk. No,
ignore when?
Yeah, you do ignore my call. So this is my number 1. This is my number 1. So guys, over.
One thing, I don't like about her. She's like, you know, when somebody, I don't know, you hear something or somebody, or there's something you did or something, I don't know, and somebody like, if you do me something, instantly I'll just tell you like, see, this thing you do to me, I don't like it, you get. Oh no, she'll put it in mind. She'll put it in one place in her. Then one day maybe you people will be talking. She will not say, that's how you did that deal. I just keep it. I want it to be. I want the cup to be full. It's very annoying. Yes. No, it's very annoying. You will not keep those things. Maybe something just happened now. Maybe I did something to you. You know, in some case, somebody might wrong you. Maybe coincident, the person doesn't know that he has done that thing. Maybe that person was not aware, or he didn't even think that thing will get you annoyed. For you to say, Tracy, that thing you did, it wasn't nice. She will not tell you. She will keep it. You understand? She will put it inside that cup. She will not be keeping it. That not be lie. No, they do like that. You only my So that's true. You understand? That's my number 1.
Okay. No
that's
problem.
My number 1.
No.
Are you doing it? Yes or no?
Yes, I does it. Yeah, I does it. But I do it to an extent. I don't just begin to do it. Maybe the thing she's talking about now, I will ask her. The first time she will not answer me. I will ask her second time, she will not answer me. So the third time when she offend me, I will just keep it in my mind. On a very good day, I'll come bring the things come out. So now so it be. I actually does that. So that is for you. Okay guys, the most number 2 annoying part of Tracy. If Tracy dash you something, Jesus Christ, please just be ready to be hearing, give me my thing. Give me my thing. Or she will just remind you on phone. When you wear that thing, if Tracy dash you shoe, and you use that shoe to take picture, Tracy will just call you, that my shoe, you never use and finish. Not on one occasion, neither 2 or 3. Tracy will keep reminding you, that shoe still, you never use that shoe finish. As in, you never, and she dashed you. It's not that you borrow. Me, I don't borrow. If I like anything on her, I'll just say, please, Tracy, dash me this thing, and she will give me. Likewise, she does same with me too. But Tracy give me one thing, every time she see that picture, or we go to church because we attend the same church as well, Tracy will just keep telling you, this shoe still fine. You never fine. I beg. It be like say you can't give my shoe. It's so annoying, guys. It's so annoying.
See, life,
it's so annoying.
See, let me tell you. You see what she's saying? You know, firstly, dash and dash is different.
Now, like you dash me, you dash me, you dash me.
You know some kind of things when your friend will not tell you, I like this thing, and you not say, okay, don't worry, and your friend will say, I will take it. You understand? So she will take it. I'm not like that. So maybe you're not joking. You are just laughing.
She does it on several occasions, guys. So now I'm not even afraid to wear the shoe again. I forgot when the shoe come on and see the shoe. Anytime I put on that shoe, Tracy will keep reminding me that shoe is at home. Every time when I wear that shoe,
it was only the first time. Well, the first time, only the first time.
Not the first time.
Only the first time.
When I wear that shoe, when I see
that. I'm not saying. Only the first time. Only the first time she wear the shoe. When she firstly take the shoe. Then when I saw her in the picture, so I just write her message. I said, I will see you as you post. Like, what's that? You get me the shoe.
Don't imagine. Can you guys imagine? Please.
Is that one? No? Is it not?
It's very, very annoying.
Another thing about her, she can complain for Africa. Aye! She can complain for Africa. She will just say, Tracy, you're tired. She will just come and just say, tomorrow, I'm not going anywhere. This house, I will just stay. She can complain, and the next moment, she will just come in and Tracy, today I'm not entering that kitchen. Everything we want to eat, I've prepared, I've done it. Today is just to go there, warm a microwave and leave there. She will just tell you, it's 2 minutes before the next second, you will see her there. That thing she just complain of.
Yes, that's me.
That thing she just complain of. You see her there.
Is it annoying you?
Very annoying. Now, you see her test. That's why she say I don't want to talk to her. I'll just be looking at her because she's the one that complain. She will just say, hey, I'm tired. She will just complain that thing, complain. How do you expect me to say anything? I'll just be looking at her. And the next thing after complaining, that thing you see.
Someone can actually change his or her mind. Maybe I'll say, oh, today I'm not going to where will I say? I'm not going to any shop today, and maybe later I changed my mind. So I don't think that
after the complaint, after the everything, you should just like, what I mean is like a minute. It will not even after complaining.
No problem.
She will leave that place.
You won.
She will just leave that. She might tell you that. Just not disturb me. Just don't give me wahala. If you want to go and she will just complain all the thing, and later she will still go and give you that thing. Why complain the first time?
Thank you. You won. No problem. This one you won. Yeah,
everybody won.
I complain a lot. Like, okay, guys. The third annoying part of Tracy, like, oh Jesus, if Tracy comes to my house. She will say it over and over 1,000,000 times, like, me I can't go house. My boss don't come. Me I can't go house. What is the time of boss? Me I can't go house. Jesus Christ. Like, I just feel like throwing up. You come my house, come greet me. Must you say you are going home 1,000 times? Please, you want to help me judge this thing now. Do you also have a friend that does that? Like, anytime she comes to your house, she always complains of going back. Then why did you come the first time? She has been here since morning. She has checked boss time for like 2 or 3 occasions since like when next is my boss. And she just came. And the day when you don't answer her, if you don't come say her, Tracy, why are you going? Then she will say you don't want her in your home again. Yes, because I'm tired. Today I will say stay. Tomorrow, Tracy, please now, stay now. Next tomorrow, the same thing. Then I will just leave her. Please help me to ask her why she normally does that. Or do you also have a friend who does that? Like a friend that comes to your home and say, I want to go house. I want to go. When is my next bus coming? What is the time of my bus? Like, it's so annoying. Tracy, why do you always do that? Why? Whenever you come to my house, why do you always say, I want to go, I want to go?
Oh my goodness. You see that part, I will not argue with you. I will not quarrel with you. You see that part?
I'm right. I don't lie.
Everything you are saying,
I don't lie.
This is the first one that you are right.
I
That's
don't
what
lie.
you're saying.
It's so annoying. Like, it's not 1 or 2 or 3 times. Tracy will stay 5 hours in my house, She will check bus time like 10 times. I don't miss 1 o'clock. Oh, make I enter 2 o'clock. Let me just enter 3 o'clock. This house, she go sleep. I don't let miss 5 o'clock. Let me just take 6 o'clock. Later, you come enter at night. Then she will not sleep over. Why were you saying you want to go home? Tracy, why?
I agree with her on that. I'm that kind of person, like when I come to your house, I'm like, I want to go home, I want to go. I think that started when I was a baby. It's just like, because I hardly leave the house. The rest of my siblings traveled, but me, I will still remain in the house. So my mom doesn't allow me travel. I think that thing occurred to me. So whenever I go to greet my friend, even when I was coming up as a teenager, all of them complained. Because when I'm with you, the next minute I'm like, I want to go home before my mom will come. I want to go. So I think
it's so annoying. Like,
so it's just with me. If I come to greet you, you get tired of me. Because the next time I'm telling you, I want to go home. Except I just came to say, okay, I'm spending 2 days with you here. But if I just come like, I want to spend 1 minute, I can tell you I want to go home more than 100 times. So that is Tracy Chris for you.
Thank God you agree. Thank God she agrees. Yeah, thank God she agreed on this. Like, I'm fed up with this. I want to go home. I want to go home. It's too much. It's too much. Okay. Do you have any other annoying part of me?
You're many.
I told you guys now.
You're many. Which
you don't have any other thing to say.
Which I not get another thing to say.
I talk now.
She's one person when you are talking to her. At times the way she responds to you, she's like, you know, when friends are going, and that thing kind of annoys me. She's like, she doesn't want you to tell her some kind of things. I don't know. She's like that picky. Wait, see, let me explain myself. She's like that kind of picky person that at times when I'm talking to her, I watch what I say. She's that kind of person. When you talk to her, she will not say, hey, be like say we don't be mates. So. Hey, be like say we don't be mates. You want to cost me so. You know that kind of thing. It gets me annoyed. Like, you don't know what to tell her. At times, she will say, I'm not talking to her because I'll just quiet and be looking at her. But I don't know what to say to her.
This video don't give me many privileges. I want to talk with it in my mind. Okay. Do you guys know why I always answer her like that? 2 friends go dey waka now. She know my age. She know how old I am. Because me, I don't hide my age to my friends. Yeah, it's not everything I say on camera. But I've asked this girl several, like 10 million times. How old she is. Like, we have been friends for like a little while now. I don't know how old she is. So
I didn't tell you that now. I never I'll be 24 years.
I told her. So if nothing enough to tell me how old you be,
I'll be 24
they're
years.
not gonna insult me. Because insult they pay me for body. You understand? So that's why I always answer her like that. We don't be mates now because me, I don't even know how old she is.
24 years.
If I'm older than her or she's older than me.
No, you old past me.
What's they worry you?
How many?
Now face dey now life small pikin. You know, so that's it. You understand? Tracy has so many annoying parts, guys.
You know see like
Tracy have so many annoying parts. Like many annoying parts.
I'm the one that open up more than her.
Tracy will come to your house, she will go to the kitchen, and when she takes the food, that food will be nice, that food will taste good. Tracy will still complain and say, this food safe, who cook am? Ask me how many women dey this house?
I never ask who cook.
How many women dey this house? You understand? Tracy will ask, who cook this food? When I help me ask her, who help me cook my food for my fridge?
Why they lie?
I'm not lying, guys. See, this is a privilege to say what's on our mind. Tracy will take my food in the kitchen, She will just come to the sitting room and say, who cooked this food? Say, is it possible me to ask her how many women my husband married? How many women did this house? What does she expect to see in the kitchen? And that food, other person will come and test it. That food will tell for me. They say, how did they even speak that parable? If I need your Monday. I don't even know how to speak that. Your food is the most tasty food. Yeah. For me, I think my food is very good and tasty. I'm a good cook. But Tracy will still complain that food. Is that not annoying? Is that not annoying? Like,
I see you, my people. Let's be frank and sincere. If you come, you meet your friend. At times there is some food I will taste. I'll say, my friend, I give you one. Like this food.
Nana, yo. You never give me hand for any food.
I don't think you are the thought
You never give me hand. Tracy, you never give me hand for any food.
The thought
Tracy, you never give me hand.
If you could so, you guys give me hand. I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna do my friend this way.
Tracy. Oh God, I'm not well because of YouTube say make I just leave you. My God, oh my heart, she's joking. I'll just end this video.
No, she's a very good cook. No, she's a very good cook. You know, this is a very good cook. You know, when two people meet each other, you know, for me, I'm very picky somebody. So any slight mistake, other people can overlook at it. But me, when I see like maybe the water just passed me to that's my character.
She complains a lot on people's food.
This rice.
And Tracy cook her own is the best. Even if something you not complain. You not see her. If even though say salt not there, Tracy food na the best. Tracy will
and also you are not looking like the food we cooked to church the last time. The meat was like meat.
My God. Tracy, we will continue this video. We will continue this video because we don't want it to be too long. If I say I tell them your annoying part, this video will reach 2 hours.
If me say me talk, you all go past 7 hours.
Good. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you love this video. So it will be a challenge. You can as well do a collaboration or a video with your friend, with your good friend, the co-YouTuber as well, saying their most annoying part. We will also be coming to do another video to say the most beautiful and loving part of ourselves. Yes, so as we get wrong side, also we still get beautiful side. Yes. So we'll also be coming again to do the most beautiful parts of Tracy Chris, the most beautiful parts of Violet Bass TV. And we'll also be doing a video and we'll be telling you guys how we met, like how long we've been friends, like how our friendship goes, and like that stuff. So guys, please stay tuned to our channel. This is Violet Bass TV, and here is my host, my guest, Tracy Chris TV.
And here is my guest, Violet Bass TV. Bye bye.
Your guest or your host? I'm not the one to help.
I'm a big YouTuber.
Sorry, meet my big YouTuber.
Hey, give me the honor.
Tracy Chris TV.
Hi.
Thank you so much, guys. We love and appreciate you. Thank you for the massive love. Please do share our videos, like, comment, and share. Bye bye.